Hello and welcome to MF Basics. I'm Lisa and you're watching episode 6. In the previous episodes, we've spoken to you about equity funds, we've spoken about debt funds, and we've even touched upon hybrid funds. And today we are talking about the only commodity-based schemes that mutual funds offer, and those are gold funds. अगर आप हर महीने अपने ज्वेलर के पास जाते हैं एंड कॉइन्स या बार्स में 10-10 ग्राम गोल्ड खरीदते हैं या जितना भी खरीदते हो, अब आपको म्यूचुअल फंड्स का ऑप्शन भी है गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए. गोल्ड investment through mutual funds can be done in two forms. There can be gold funds or gold exchange traded funds or ETFs. There's a slight difference in both, and let me try and explain that first. So gold exchange traded funds are basically like buying stocks. Exchange traded funds of any form are listed on stock exchanges. You can go on to a stock exchange platform, go on to their ETF section and search for gold exchange traded funds. And you'll find about roughly maybe around 9 or 10 names there from different AMCs only, from different asset management companies which have launched these schemes. You have to be a little bit careful about the volume, but otherwise there shouldn't be any other issue in buying these exchange traded funds. You do need a demat account, however, to invest in gold ETFs. And that is where gold funds come in, because not all individuals have demat accounts. So what asset management companies have done, they have a variant in this product, which is the gold fund. What the fund does, it buys gold ETFs. So that's the only job of the fund, to go and buy gold ETFs with any money that it receives. The advantage for investors is that you do not need a demat account to invest in gold through gold funds. At this point, I must also say that while the gold fund invests in units of the gold ETF or buys gold ETF, the gold ETF in turn has a collateral of physical gold. So, for example, if a gold ETF scheme has 500 crores of investments in it, which different individuals have pooled together, then the fund itself will have kept 500 crores worth of physical gold with a custodian. So it's not like your money is just being invested in paper. There is actual gold to back it up. The cost is also very low. It's a 10 to 15 basis points a year. That is the cost of the gold fund. And you can buy in regular installments as little as 500 rupees through a systematic investment plan in gold funds, which you cannot do in the gold ETF. You cannot do a systematic investment plan in a gold ETF. So these are two different formats depending on what suits you, whether you have a demat account or not, whether you want to invest through the ETF platform or through a simple mutual fund platform. You can decide on investing in gold fund versus gold ETF. लेकिन why stop going to your jeweler and do this? देखिए, पहला एडवांटेज तो ये है कि यू डू नॉट नीड एनी स्टोरेज स्पेस फॉर गोल्ड फंड्स एंड गोल्ड ETFs. आप वो 10-10 ग्राम के कॉइन्स खरीद रहे हैं, कहीं तो आपने रखा होगा. For gold funds and ETFs, you just need an online account. You don't need anything else. So you don't need any storage space. There is also a surety of quality. The quality of gold that you get in the gold ETF or gold fund is assured by the asset manager. You don't have to think whether you are getting 22 carat, 24 carat, क्या आपको उसका quality मिल रहा है. That is all assured in the mutual fund format. Also, the other thing that's an advantage is that you can buy in small lots and you can also sell in small lots. अगर आपके पास 100 grams का बार है, उसको आप तोड़ के तो नहीं बेचेंगे. But when you're buying gold ETFs or gold fund units, then you can sell in small amounts as well. Whatever amount you need, you can just put a redemption order for that amount. अगर आपको 10,000 रुपए चाहिए उसमें से, तो आप 10,000 का redemption डाल सकते हैं. अगर आपको 1 लाख चाहिए तो आप 1 लाख का डाल सकते हैं. थोड़ा करके you can keep accumulating, keep buying every month, and whenever you need money, you can sell as much as you need. Also, the temptation कि वो gold रखा है लॉकर में, उसको jewelry बना लें, that is not there. And you know that if you convert your gold which you have invested in into jewelry, you will lose value. Instead, the idea is that gold will help you sort of keep the value of your money intact, save the value of your money from inflation. So you need to keep holding it as an investment. अगर आपको jewelry खरीदना है तो आप jewelry खरीदिए. But when you're investing in gold, gold funds and gold ETFs provide you this very convenient way, very convenient, cost-effective and high-quality way of investing in gold. एंड आपको रिटर्न की फिक्र करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज द रिटर्न ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ गोल्ड फंड्स एंड गोल्ड ईटीएफ्स इज टू मिरर द प्राइस चेंज इन गोल्ड. जो गोल्ड प्राइस का चेंज रहेगा इन इंडियन रुपीज, that is the change that you will see in the NAV. Remember, we spoke about this in episode 1, which is the price of the mutual fund scheme. So whatever the change in price of gold is the change in NAV you will see roughly for these schemes as well. Roughly I say because there is obviously a small cost element, and वो आपके ज्वेलर से खरीदने पे भी होगा. So you can pretty much get the return that you expect from buying physical gold through gold funds and gold ETFs. Whether you choose to invest in funds or ETFs will depend on the convenience that you seek, whether you have a demat account or not, whether you're comfortable with stock exchange platforms, or whether you want to invest like a mutual fund scheme and do an SIP. So there you have it. Next time you go to your jeweler to buy gold, remember you can also do it through mutual funds. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to MF Basics for all things mutual funds.